In this video, I'll guide you through how to send an email message to multiple contacts in Gmail. Whether you're reaching out to a group of friends, coordinating with coworkers, or sending an announcement, knowing how to email several people at once can save you a lot of time and effort. We'll walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Gmail. First, open Gmail. You can do this by going to the Gmail website in your browser and signing in with your account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're in, you should see your inbox with your list of emails. Next, look for the Compose button. On a computer, this is usually located on the left side of the screen near the top of the sidebar. It's typically labeled Compose and may be in a colored button to stand out. On mobile, you'll usually see a circular button with a plus sign or a pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click or tap that. This opens a new email window where you can start creating your message. At the top of this new email window, you'll see the recipient field, usually labeled To. This is where you'll add multiple contacts. Click or tap in that field and start typing the first person's email address. If they're already in your contacts, Gmail will often suggest their address as you type. You can click on the suggestion to add it quickly. After you add the first email address, type a comma or press enter or tab, depending on your device, to move on to the next one. Continue this process for each person you want to include. Type a name or address, select it, then move to the next. Take a moment to double check the addresses as you go, especially if you're typing them manually, to avoid sending your message to the wrong person or having it bounce back because of a typo. If you want everyone to see who else is receiving the email, keep them all in the main To field. If you'd rather keep the recipient list visible but slightly less prominent, you can use the CC field. And if you don't want recipients to see each other's email addresses at all, you can use the BCC field. This doesn't change the basic steps, but it's a useful option for privacy and professionalism. Once your recipients are set, it's time to write your message. Start by adding a clear subject line in the subject field just below the recipient area. Keep it short but descriptive so people know what the email is about at a glance. Then click into the main body of the email and type your message. You can format your text, add links, and even attach files or images if needed using the icons below the message area. When you're happy with your email, take a quick moment to review everything: the recipients, the subject line, and the body of the message. Make sure it looks the way you want it to. When you're ready, click the Send button, usually found at the bottom of the Compose window. Gmail will send your message to all the contacts you added all at once. That's all there is to it. You've just sent an email message to multiple contacts in Gmail quickly and efficiently.